In accordance with modern safety practices, all regulators in everyday use must be given a thorough inspection at least once every week, or whenever the unit is to be fitted to a freshly filled cylinder. Pressure gauges must be inspected for any obvious or physical damage, both to the body and the clear gauge face covers. Gauge markings must be clearly legible, and the indicator needle must be intact. The seating surface of the bullnose connector must not be scratched, corroded, or in any other way damaged, so as to prevent a perfect gas-tight seal within the cylinder valve. All threads, notably the bullnose connector nut and the outlet connector fitting, must be in a good and clean condition. Damaged threads will cause interference with connectors, resulting in gas leakage. Check that the pressure adjusting screw is undamaged and that the screw winds without binding or jamming, both fully in and fully out. If so equipped, test the operation of the shut-off valve. The valve stem must turn out to the fully open position and fully in to the shut-off position without jamming or binding. Most regulators feature a pressure relief device. Although we cannot check the operation of this device, it must, however, appear to be in good physical condition.